Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. So you know what we're going to be doing in this video based on the title. That's right, we're going to get the Super 10s installed and we're going to have proper exhaust running on the LTD. It is going to sound amazing. I cannot wait to hear this. So let's not waste any more time. Let's hop in this thing and drive down to the muffler shop. And if y'all are wondering what this is the hookup to my electric choke. I wired an electric choke through a switch so I could just turn it on and off when I wanted to. I didn't want to have to bother trying to find a wire that's live only when the ignition is on, so just do that and it's ready to go. That sounds so good. Alright guys, let's hear it. Oh, that sounds clean. Alright, so it's definitely a lot quieter than it used to be. It's very tolerable in the cabin. I'm surprised. Well, I shouldn't be. There's no drone in the cabin either. I'm really surprised about that. Alright guys, check it out. I got a plug for that header, so now we're completely quiet, and man, it sounds good, guys. Can't wait for you to hear it. That is what it sounds like, and that's what it's going to sound like for a little while now. So they've actually put Flowmaster 40s on it. The Super 10 that I had would not fit because that's made for like a truck, and the drive shaft was in the way and you couldn't put it in the center. But it does have Flowmaster 40s on it, and it's running out the back, true deal, and it sounds so good, y'all. Sounds like that classic car auto sound. It's got that classic car tone, that chambered sound. I love it. So I think what we should do next is put the Super 10 on the GMC because I really want to use that muffler too. That one sounds really good as well, and I know it would sound good on this truck. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you want to see more videos of the LTD and GMC or whatever else you want to see here, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any more exhaust videos because I have a lot more of those coming soon. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Alright, time to get some proper rev up shots of this thing. I love the way these Flowmasters sound. Lovely sound.